How to save WhatsApp media to SD card. This tutorial shows you how to change WhatsApp's default download location to your SD card for more storage space. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all installed applications. Following that, find WhatsApp in the app list and tap on it. Now, tap on Storage to view WhatsApp's storage settings. Moving forward, tap on Change or Storage Location. After that, select SD card from the available storage options. In addition to that, you may need to grant WhatsApp permission to access your SD card. Once there, tap Allow or Grant Permission to proceed. Subsequently, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top left corner. Moreover, tap on Settings from the menu. After that, scroll down and tap on Storage and Data. Then, tap on Manage Storage to view storage options. Within this menu, you can see how much space WhatsApp is using. Alternatively, to automatically save new media to SD card, go back to Settings in WhatsApp. Once there, tap on Chats and then tap on Media Visibility or Save to Gallery. Then, make sure your device's default storage is set to SD card in your phone's main settings under Storage. Within the storage settings, tap on Default Storage Location and select SD card. And that's it. If this SD card storage guide helped you free up internal space, drop a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp storage tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.